how to upload photos on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload photos on Pinterest. Let's dive right in. Open up your Pinterest app and then you will see a plus icon at the home page at the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on pin, and it will open up your gallery, and then choose a picture that you want to upload and then hit next. And then now you can put in a title of the pin, give a description. You can put in a link if you want to. You can even link with a board. You can tag related topics, products, and even schedule date. And then you just need to tap on create at the bottom right. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.